You need to make a thing like this. Take two balloons and attach it to two straws, and then wind it with a copper or any flexible wire. Tape it with the tape. Then take the body of the pen and put the straws into it. If there is a gap or your hole is bigger than the straw, you can tape it and close the holes. I have tied the copper wire to hold them. If you don't have copper wire, you can use tape to stick them in a place. Take a cap and mark in the middle of the cap and make a hole in it.
My love it grows with the memories like a symphony. And you and I, we got history, yeah. And when you're alone, do you say my name? Or you say
Then take the balloon part and place it in the hole of the cap. It will look like this. Then take a bottle and remove the pen body from the cap and put it into the bottle, and take the cap and again put it in the pen body. Then tight the cap of the bottle and then separate the balloon and paste it on the inside the body of the bottle. I have pasted it, so it will look like this. And then take another balloon and cut the upper part of the balloon and stretch the balloon and cover the lower part of the bottle in it. So our model is ready now. Then pull the balloon so it will work. How does it work? As the knotted balloon is pulled, it creates more space inside the bottle. Air then comes down from the straw and fills the balloon with some air to fill the space. When you let go of the knot, the space no longer exists, so the air from the balloon is expanded, making it deflate. Inside the lungs are a network of tubes which allow air pass through. Air is warmed, moistured and filtered as it travels through the mouth, and it then passes through a network of tubes. eventually reaching tiny cells called alveoli, which are where gases exchange occur. How does lungs work? These fake lungs demonstrate how our lungs work. Air is taken in through the mouth and nose, passed down the windpipe and into our lungs. The diaphragm at the bottom of our chest moves down to create more space. As we breathe out, the diaphragm raises again. The knot balloon represents the diaphragm and the balloon inside the container, the lungs. That's how lungs work.